channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the very first time, welcome. And if you're coming back, then I really appreciate all the support. If you're new, please do hit the subscribe button. Please like, comment, share. Let me know what you think about this look down in the description box. My previous video was a Tiara Walker inspired Valentine's Day video that I did. And I also did a hair tutorial for that, which you'll also find in the links below that video. So please do go watch that. Anyway guys, so we're starting off barefaced, you know, looking a hot mess. We always start low-key and then we end with a bang, right? So anyway, let's just get straight into this video and let's get started. So for my eyes, wow, I haven't done a talk through video in so long. Like, I'm always doing voiceovers, but yeah. For my eyes, I'm going to be priming my eyes with my Revlon Candid Concealer. And for this eye look, I really want, ooh, this mirror is so dirty. As I was saying guys, I really want this eye look to be very like cat eye kind of thing. Like, I really want it to be winged out. So I'm actually going to use my concealer to map out the shape that I want my eyeshadow to go. And then I'm just gonna prime my eyes. I really hope this is visible enough because I'm not trying to zoom in. I'm trying to go for like a pink purpley kind of look that I once did like a while back, but I never filmed. I really don't even know how to do talk through videos anymore. It's so long. I'm going to set this with my Revlon Candid powder, including above my eye, my brow bone. So I'm just going to like buff it out, but as long as I can still see the shape that I want my eyeshadow to go in. And also going to set my brows. I'm so oily. So I'm going to be going into this Take Me On Vacation Kylie Jenner palette. Oh, there's a brush in here. Look at this palette guys, it's so pretty. I hope my camera is doing it justice. It probably isn't, but look at those colors. And this is going to be our so this is going to be my transition shade. And I'm placing it really high up on my eye. And I'm still going to be following that shape that I created. So remember how I said I want my eyeshadow to be really like winged out, to give me that accentuated cat eye look. And then don't forget to complete that triangle. I always forget to like fill it in. But anyway, this is not going to really show that much. This brush is actually really nice, I won't lie. So this is my Beauty Treats palette and I'm going to go in with this pink over here. I miss doing my makeup guys, like wow. I'm going to start building that intensity with this pink. Let's see. Can you guys see it? Doesn't feel like it's quite intense enough. And always remember to follow that shape that we've created. So I'm just blending everything in together to make sure everything is seamless. And I'm already feeling the intensity of this pink. So I'm going to be going in with some loose eyeshadow. This pink loose eyeshadow. And you really have to be careful with these loose eyeshadows because they are loose. So if you make a wrong move, you'll have this eyeshadow everywhere. And you really want to be careful when you're using these loose eyeshadows guys, because they are loose. So if you spill or if you miss, that would be like a hot mess. So you guys can see how This shape is really coming together, which I am loving. So once I'm satisfied with the shape that I have going on, I'm going to go back into this Kylie palette with this pink again. And I am going to start to blend. I really want you guys to see, so I keep coming in, but I'm loving it. So just gently going to blend the top parts of this. And I'm not trying to take it all the way to my brow bone. So can you see how it's diffused out now? So I'm going in with this purple. This palette is so dirty. This purple over here. Just a smidgen of purple. Just to give it a little bit of depth and, like, you know, intensity. And this is just going on this inner corner here. Right in the crease. This just gives it crease as well, so when I open my eye you can still see it. Guess I'm just going ham now. So I'm just making sure that everything is even, both sides, you know, look the same. Then love looks easy, just to, you know, make sure we haven't lost the pink. Just blending everything together once again. Okay, so for my eyelid, I'm not sure if I really want to cut the lid, like cut, or if I just want to like smudge on. So I'm gonna go in with my Jumbo Milk pencil just to give this eyeshadow that I'm about to put down a base to stick onto. So, and then I'm just gonna blend this into this part here. So I'm just going in with this Jumbo Milk pencil still, and as you can see, it really could act as a it could act as an eyeshadow on its own, but I'm just using it to just carve out where I'm gonna like place my eyeshadows, and my eyeshadow will really stick to this and will really pop. See? So on that part, I'm gonna go in with this, and this is from the Meteor Storm palette. This is like a glittery, what they call it, reflective type of eyeshadow. I think I'm quite satisfied with this intensity, so I'm gonna go look for my other eyeshadows. 1 second. So I haven't really found an eyeshadow that's quite the color that I want to actually go with this look, so I'm going to use my highlight, and maybe I'll use this one. I'll use a combination of these two. Maybe I'll use this one because it's kind of white and I really want like this, you know, whiteness to pop. The contrast with the dark pink and the white. So I'm going to use this this highlight, and this is from Makeup Revolution Pro. This is their Soft X highlighter palette. Perfect. We're in business. See, it gives you that frosty white color. Like, that's exactly what I'm going for. Purple is doing the most. Like, excuse me, you're supposed to be a guest and now you're like taking over. So these are the eyelashes I'm going to be using, and I'm going to struggle with these off camera because it literally takes me like an hour to put on eyelashes. Only 5.5 hours later. Like, literally guys, eyelashes are like the worst thing for me. I hate putting on eyelashes. My own eyelashes just don't cooperate. It's still like the most difficult thing for me. Anyway, so I also lined my eyes with this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Guys, so this is the final look and I am so pleased. Like, I really miss, like, I really missed beating my face up. Like, I miss painting my face. Ah, this just looks so beautiful. I'm just so pleased with my efforts. That highlight, look at that contour. But this is what my hair looks like. Edges laid, baby, laid. If you want to see how I got this hairstyle, you have to watch that video. I used Got To Be spray. Yeah, it's a whole thing. But yeah, guys, I really love this makeup look. If you're loving it, please leave a comment down below. If you do recreate this makeup look, please do tag me on Instagram. Let us engage and follow each other and continue the conversation. Yeah, guys, but let me know, what other makeup looks would you like me to create? What other videos would you like to see on this channel? I am doing a whole overhaul of my channel, reviving it. Yeah, making a lot of changes, deleting old videos. So yes, I will be taking suggestions. Let me know what you'd like to see, guys, and I will make it happen. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.